How to change the FTP user quota in cPanel. You can increase or decrease the FTP quota. You can also use an unlimited FTP quota. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click the FTP accounts. Now scroll down to the FTP accounts section. Here, locate the FTP account whose quota you wish to change. Then click the Change Quota. You can enter the size in numeric in this input box if this option box is selected. You can also change it to unlimited by clicking this Options button for unlimited. After making the desired changes, click the Change Quota button. The quota has been changed. Thank you for watching.